You've got smart home gear scattered all over the place, maybe a place here, another one across the country. I'm going to show you how to set up a cloud-based home assistant operating system so you can finally break free from those geographical limits and get all your smart devices from anywhere in the world all under one roof. So I snagged a cloud server for under $30 for the whole year. It's got a 2-core CPU, 4 gigs of RAM, and a 60 gig drive, which is plenty to get started. I'm gonna build the cloud-based HAOS on this. I headed over to the official Home Assistant docs for installing on Linux and decided to go with the KVM method. First up, on the webpage, I'm clicking on KVM to download the compressed system image file. After the download completes, I'll extract the file and then transfer the extracted contents to a custom folder on my Linux server. Alright, back in our terminal, we need to install the KVM tools. Since I'm on Debian, I'm running the following command, but this will work for you on Ubuntu as well. With the system image and the tools all ready to go, I'm jumping back to the official install guide to grab the recommended installation command. I just need to tweak the disk path in the command to point to where I put my image file. And right away after running it, we hit our first error. Network default is not active. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and it's by far the easiest one we're going to tackle. To fix it, we just need to start the default network and then enable it so it starts automatically on every boot. I run the command again and bam! Another error. Not enough host memory. My heart sank a little here because upgrading the cloud server to 8 gigs of RAM would more than double the price, and that can get pretty steep. But then I remembered the official docs say the minimum requirement for the virtual machine is 2 gigs RAM. So I just modified the command to allocate 2 gigs, ran it one more time, and it's working. The HAOS installation is finally running. And we get the login prompt. Just type root, hit enter, and now we're in the VM's command line. After waiting for the system to pull all the containers, I run HA network info to find the IP address. I figured I'd run a quick curl to test the connection locally, and of course, it can't connect to the server. A quick look at the IP addresses for the different network interfaces, and yep, they're not on the same subnet. That means we're going to have to set up some routing rules to get local and public access working. So I added these 4 IPtables forwarding rules. Now, to make sure these rules stick after a reboot, we need to install the IPtables persistent package. Just input yes to the prompts during the install. From now on, you can just run one command to save any new rules permanently. Okay, let's run that curl test again, and we've got a connection, finally. So I'm thinking, all right, this is it. I popped the public IP into my browser, and this site can't be reached. The local test works. Why not the public one? I spent a full day pulling my hair out over this, trying everything from changing the network to abridged mode and back, and it turns out the cloud provider blocks all ports by default for security. All I had to do was go into their firewall settings and open up port 8123. What a journey, right? But hey, we are finally online. And the final step is to start adding your cloud-based smart home integrations, things like Tuya and Xiaomi Home. Once you get those set up, you'll be able to manage and control all your devices from your different locations all in one place. If you run into any snags during your deployment, or if you want me to do a deep dive on more advanced remote automations or integrating other cloud devices, let me know down in the comments. Your feedback is what fuels the next video. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.